What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, Bitcoin price has just broken all-time highs.
That's impossible.
Some amazing times in the cryptocurrency space. I have some really interesting stuff to go over today, including the Bitcoin price as well as the Electroneum price action. Guys, I want to show you exactly where I think the price action is going in the immediate and the midterm, so you guys can make as much money as you can over the next few months. And for those of you who don't know me, I'm a professional leverage trader and instructor, and I make my living trading cryptocurrency with some serious efficiency. If you want the additive edge, jump right over to the student program and get signed up. Financial freedom is literally a click away. Links are below. And for those of you who want a little even more additive edge, you got to follow me on my socials. I literally changed the color of my eyes, which way I'm leaning in the market that day. And guys, I switched this back on like the 9th or 10th. Massive run up ever since then, guys. Anyone who even just caught this is in some amazing gains. And for those of you who want specific coin requests, you have to become a member. But guys, there's no time to waste. There's a lot of price action going on right now. If you're not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. And guys, I'm going to dive right into the price action. All right, guys, let's just start with the Bitcoin price. And just like I said would happen, we got the touch up to all-time highs, a sideways movement, and then a pump. And guys, in case you missed that last video, check it out right here. Get another breakout, we could easily break all-time high. I don't think we're going to hit 64,000 and retrace back down. I don't think Bitcoin's ever done that with an all-time high top. Okay, so I really am anticipating a bit of a continuation move whenever we do break 64,000. And guys, yes, there could be a little bit of chop. For instance, it could kind of teeter around for a week or so, but then get another big pump. Guys, I've been predicting this just like last year. I said the same thing last year. You know, I said we're going to get a nice lull and then a big punch right around October, and guys, that's exactly what happened this year. That's why I was preparing you guys with your bags, Bitcoin and Ethereum and all the other alts, guys. You basically could have made money board wide right now. It was really a feeding frenzy out. So as you guys can see, we did exactly that. Nice little breakout of the symmetrical, little patterns within patterns within. And guys, I'm just on the 1 hour for reference. Let's just draw the last pattern before the breakout right here. And again, guys, I would actually call this a pennant, just the way it played out. And I know pennants and symmetricals look exactly the same, but guys, remember, when we have a total flipping of the EMAs on the bigger time frames, you can start to think pennant, bull flags, the continuation movement patterns. Okay, so that's exactly what we got. The volume dipped right before the move and then pumped straight up, almost touched, oh geez, it actually went above $67,000 for a brief moment, guys. A new all-time high for Bitcoin. Very exciting. And let me just tell you what I think is going to happen right now. So just for transparency, the stotch is unloaded, but we are touching green zone. Okay, guys, so we could be in for a little bit of sideways movement, maybe a retest of the 7. Worst case, maybe even the 20. Unless we get some bearish volume into the market, then we could easily retest the 55. Now, guys, just in simplicity, say like you missed this pump. Here's what I want you guys to do. I want you to play the retracement. So basically, whenever we break the 55, play the 100. Okay. Notice the 100 is an optimal time to play all throughout. Okay. You would have made some serious good buys over the last several weeks if you would even just bought on the 100. And yes, optimally the 200, guys. That's what I was talking about. I think it was 3 videos ago, saying, guys, if we're touching the 200, optimal time to buy on the Bitcoin price. Definitely a good place to be getting in. Now, I think we're going to get a little bit of a sideways move and then a little bit of blow off. And then, guys, I think we're going to continue. All right. We have a lot of bullish sentiment right now. We've had a total flipping of the EMAs. We do have a lot of good things going on in the market right now. And just like last year, we had a massive explosion come October, guys. That's why I predicted it for this month, this year. Okay. It just made sense. And remember, we had that lull before the storm before. We had the same thing again, and that was that mini consolidation and accumulation phase there. Okay. So in this moment, guys, think Bollinger Bands. Watch for the bands to tighten up. Use barbell theory then to make your trade. Okay, for instance, we're going to kind of coil up like that, a little consolidation, and then the move will probably come right around here, right before midnight, if I had to make a guess there. Okay, watch for the volume to come into the market, and then expect the move right around here. Okay, guys, that's exactly what I'm looking at in the Bitcoin price, guys. And let's be real, we're above all-time highs now, guys. We're in uncharted waters, some extremely exciting times. I hope your bags are packed. All right, guys, let's jump over to Electroneum. Okay, now this is very interesting, guys. I'm actually going to turn off the bands for a split second, and we just have a very clear pattern that's playing out right now. Let me just show it to you. So a nice descending wedge right here. Now, guys, we're probably already getting that breakout right now. It depends where you actually measured it from, but guys, this is where I would take it. And the reason for that is because the indication play comes right prior to the breakout right there, okay? And then notice we have the run up. And guys, I would use wedge theory for this measurement, okay? And I'd actually measure it from right there instead of going way overextended there into that overbought territory. And guys, notice that if we actually do get that breakup, we're going to be right in between a major resistance and support, okay? We've actually touched up here many times. You could actually almost put another line right there. Might as well, okay? So watch for that to actually play out, guys. If you're already in on that trade, let me know in the comments, guys. Electroneum has a lot of bullish favor right now, and especially as the rest of the cryptocurrency starts to develop more and more. Within the infancy stage of Electroneum, we will start to see a lot more movement, okay? The volatility is going to continue to grow as we move forward here. And guys, even just over here, notice we have board-wide green right now. I mean, this is really nice. A lot of good favor right now. I mean, the whole market's looking extremely bullish, guys. I could not be happier. I continuously went in on this, guys. It does not get any better than that. And guys, let's just zoom out real fast, go to the 4-hour. And this is what I was talking about. See, we're not out of the woods yet. Okay, we've got some more work to do. And it depends exactly how you look at it, but think of it like this. We walked down, we walked up, we walked down. Are we going to walk up again? Okay, or is it just one big walk down? Okay, guys, I don't want to be always bullish in case, we're getting a little bit of retracement. But guys, look at this. We're getting near trend, okay? We're basically pretty close, okay? Like we can get a retracement and we'll be right at trend again, guys. So play this accordingly, okay? Really feel it out. Use the stotch, use your Bollinger Bands in these moments, and then watch for volume to come into the market. And guys, if you're looking for retracement buys, play the 55, play the 100. That's exactly what I'd be looking at for Electroneum, okay, guys? I think this coin is going to have some major run-ups, okay? I do anticipate this target being hit, okay? It could take a week, but I do think we will get there, guys. Just make sure your bags are packed. And in simplicity, play the retracements, but if you're not sure where those are, guys, look for the 55, look for the 100, and look for the stotch to be loaded up, okay? Just down and below the green zone here. And that's exactly how I'll be playing my Electroneum bags. And guys, that's all the time I have for today. Incredible times in cryptocurrency. I could not be happier with everything going on, including the student program. I have students all day today, guys. It is extremely exciting to see people discovering financial freedom with such aggressive nature. It's just incredible to watch. When they turn on that camera and they light up telling me about all their gains, guys, it is so amazing. This program really is a self-fulfilling prophecy, guys. For those of you who have not signed up yet and you've been thinking about it, now is the time to strike. I can't express enough. You don't want to be jumping on when Bitcoin's over 100 grand. You'll kind of look back on these moments and be like, oh man, I could have made a lot of money leveraging on the way up through yellow logarithmic zones. And guys, that's just something you don't want to miss. Don't do that to yourselves. You'll look back on these moments and be like, damn, I had somebody show me how to do it right there and I didn't take advantage of that. And that will stew regret, guys. That's an obvious thing there. So guys, if you're not making the gains you deserve, if you're not making serious life-changing gains, I can show you how to do it quite simply, guys. And even pretty soon we'll have the student instruction program teaching people as well, guys. It's not a reality. You can't pick this stuff up. So guys, just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.
Audio Jungle.